Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with a Wanwu Studio Camera M in Zirc. Here with me for a review. We're going to analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below, because YouTube loves if you do such actions on my channel, and I will love it too, because I'll keep cranking out these videos right over here. Would you check this out, guys? This is the Camera M slider and clicker. Comes with a set of stickers and some magnets, and of course like a padded and hard box with some latches. It's pretty cool, but what is super cool is this one. This is one of my favorite toys, guys. It is amazing. Let's check it out. Size wise, you're gonna have 1.96 inches for the overall length, with 1.2 inches for the height, let's say, and let's do the thickness at this point, 0.47, and at the lens point, 0.71. So let's quickly check the weight. So we are done with the measurements. This is such a cool toy, guy. That's maybe because I'm a photographer, that's why I love it so much. And it's 4.13 ounces, full Zirc piece going on here like crazy. You guys, I know I love Zirc, and I couldn't pass on this one. I had one in stainless steel and Zirc plate here, but I mean, come on, Zirc is king, and this guy is of course one of my favorite. So it's basically made by two parts. You get to see here, that's the body, let's say, and this is the lens. 4 magnets on each side. As you can see, maybe from over here, you have 99 made of these, so it's a pretty limited edition. You can mount this thing on each side, so it can slide up like that, so you can keep this side, the wider one, on the right. Or you can just swap it and keep the wider on the left. It's just gonna slide, only in one way, because of these two pins running into those tracks, avoiding the plate from falling off. You see, they keep the blade from just sliding away, and therefore it just goes inside and it doesn't slide back. So really clever mechanism. So you got a slicer. Of course, this is a Leica M rangefinder camera, probably I would say an M4, M6. You get to use a Trit vial over here. You can install it, and that would be the place of the rangefinder, which is also here. That could be the exposure, depends on the model. And here you get an actual viewfinder, which is like a rangefinder on the inside. You get the lens, which is clicking, and it's of course Zirc. The only steel part is just the outside, the barrel of the lens, let's say, and the shutter button, which is also clicky and knurled. Look at that! Look at that! Look at the detail here. That's pretty cool, guys. Beside my fingerprints, it's a very well engineered piece, and of course it's a Leica M inspired design, which I loved. I mean, I used Leica film cameras for many years, and I always loved the design, the quality of these cameras, so I couldn't pass on this one. Really good looking toy, especially all blacked out Zirc is just fantastic. Clicking, so 2 different sounds. And sliding. Can slide quite. As you can notice, there's like the Teflon sticker right over here. You can also check out my video on how to install these stickers. It's pretty straightforward, but nonetheless, you can check it out. And this sound like that, or you can go loud. See? No shame. Just being proud of your toy and just sliding away, clicking away, being annoying. Or you can decide to be nice and just go quiet, go stealth. Up to you. So sound department, check. Look department, double check. This is gorgeous. And feel. Guys, this feels great. Clicking, double clicking, and sliding. It's fantastic. One of my favorite toys, 100%. Let's quickly check a couple of options right over here in Zirc. You get to see also Wanwu Studio armor slider. Wanwu Studio bulletproof shield slider. This is like Choclick from Black Mirror Design. Milkia from ACEDC. Let me show you another couple. Also Black Mirror Design, telephone dial. I don't know, KTS Helios ratchet. It's also like a pretty cool one. What else do I have? Of course, this is like Muji capsule spinner. That's it, guys. I'm done for the day. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video because I loved this toy. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.